In today's fast-paced digital landscape, creating engaging shorts for social media platforms has become essential for capturing audience attention. This video aims to showcase the quickest and most efficient way to produce captivating shorts using Neato AI. With the rise of short-form content, it's crucial to leverage innovative tools that streamline the video creation process. Neato AI stands out as a powerful solution, enabling users to generate high-quality videos effortlessly. By harnessing its advanced features, creators can focus on their ideas while the AI handles the technical aspects, ensuring a polished final product. The importance of using Neato AI cannot be overstated. It not only saves time but also enhances creativity, allowing users to experiment with various styles and formats. As we dive into this topic, we'll explore how Neato AI simplifies the video making journey, making it accessible for everyone, regardless of their experience level. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting, this tool can elevate your content and help you stand out in a crowded social media space. So, let's embark on this exciting journey of video creation together and discover how Neato AI can transform your approach to making engaging shorts that resonate with your audience. Neato AI is revolutionizing the way creators approach video production by offering an intuitive platform that allows users to generate videos from a single prompt. This innovative tool simplifies the video creation process, enabling anyone to transform their ideas into engaging visual content with minimal effort. One of the standout features of Neato AI is its new multilingual capability, which empowers users to create videos in various languages, broadening their reach and making content accessible to diverse audiences worldwide. This feature is particularly beneficial for creators looking to connect with global viewers or cater to specific language demographics. Additionally, Neato AI provides remarkable flexibility in video lengths, accommodating a range of needs from quick 1-minute shorts to more in-depth content lasting up to 20 minutes. This versatility ensures that users can tailor their videos to fit different platforms and audience preferences, whether they are aiming for a brief, impactful message or a comprehensive exploration of a topic. With Neato AI, the possibilities are endless, allowing creators to unleash their creativity without the usual constraints of traditional video production. As we delve deeper into its features, you'll discover how Neato AI can enhance your video making experience and elevate your content to new heights. Getting started with Neato AI is a straightforward process that will set you up for success in creating engaging videos. First, to enable beta features on the Neato platform, navigate to your account settings and look for the Beta Features tab. Simply toggle the switch to activate these exciting new functionalities, which will enhance your video creation experience. Next, let's focus on training a voice for video narration. This process involves selecting the voice option within the Neato AI interface and following the prompts to record sample phrases. The more varied your samples, the better the AI will understand your desired tone and style, resulting in a more personalized narration for your videos. Lastly, it's crucial to set the model to Neato AI version 2.0. This version includes significant improvements in video generation and voice synthesis, ensuring that you benefit from the latest advancements in AI technology. To do this, simply go to the model settings and select version 2.0 from the drop-down menu. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to harnessing the full potential of Neato AI, making your video creation process smoother and more efficient. Enjoy exploring the creative possibilities that await you. Creating a YouTube short using Neato AI is a seamless process that allows you to bring your ideas to life quickly. To begin, you can either enter your own prompts or utilize existing workflows designed for various types of content. For instance, if you want to generate a fun and engaging video, you might use a prompt like, create a 30-second video showcasing the top 3 tips for staying productive while working from home. This prompt will guide Neato AI in generating a script and visuals that align with your theme. Once your video content is generated, you can enhance it further by selecting background music that complements the mood of your short. Neato AI offers a library of royalty-free music options, allowing you to choose tracks that elevate your video's energy and engagement. Additionally, incorporating subtitles is a great way to make your content more accessible and viewer-friendly. You can easily enable subtitles in the settings, ensuring that your audience can follow along, even without sound. By following these steps, you'll create a captivating YouTube short that not only entertains but also informs, maximizing your reach and impact on the platform. Enjoy the creative process with Neato AI. Editing and refining your generated videos with Neato AI is a crucial step to ensure they meet your vision and engage your audience effectively. To start, you can easily adjust the script by accessing the text editor within the platform. Here, you can modify any part of the script, removing unwanted pauses or filler words that may disrupt the flow. This allows you to create a more polished and concise narrative that resonates with viewers. Next, if you find that certain video clips don't align perfectly with your message, you can replace them with more relevant footage. Simply browse through the available clips in the Neato AI library and drag your chosen clips into the timeline, ensuring that they enhance the overall storytelling. Additionally, you have the option to change the background music to better suit the tone of your video. Neato AI provides a variety of music tracks, so you can select one that elevates the mood. Furthermore, you can utilize natural language commands to make adjustments on the fly, such as add a transition or increase the volume, making the editing process intuitive and user-friendly. By following these steps, you'll refine your videos into engaging content that captivates your audience. Creating videos in different languages using Neato AI is a fantastic way to reach a broader audience and enhance engagement. To begin, you can easily change the language settings within the platform. Navigate to the language options in the project settings and select your desired language from the drop-down menu. For instance, if you want to generate a Spanish version of your video, simply choose Spanish, and Neato AI will automatically translate the script and adjust the narration accordingly. This feature allows you to create content that resonates with Spanish-speaking viewers, expanding your reach significantly. Additionally, you can enable subtitles in the same language, ensuring that your audience can follow along easily. This is particularly important for accessibility in video content creation, as it allows individuals who are deaf or hard of hearing to engage with your material. Moreover, providing subtitles in multiple languages can further enhance accessibility, making your content inclusive for non-native speakers. By prioritizing accessibility, you not only broaden your audience but also foster a more inclusive environment, encouraging diverse viewers to connect with your message. With Neato AI, creating multilingual content is straightforward, empowering you to share your ideas with the world in a more impactful way. Neato AI offers a wealth of features and capabilities that extend far beyond just creating shorts, making it a versatile tool for all your video production needs. One of the standout features is the ability to create landscape videos and longer formats, allowing you to produce content suitable for various platforms, including YouTube and presentations. This flexibility ensures that you can tailor your videos to fit different audiences and contexts, whether you're aiming for a quick social media clip or an in-depth tutorial. Additionally, Neato AI has an iOS app that empowers users to create videos on the go. This mobile application provides the same intuitive interface and powerful features as the desktop version, enabling you to capture and edit footage anytime, anywhere. For those looking to unlock even more advanced capabilities, upgrading to paid plans offers numerous benefits. Subscribers gain access to premium features such as enhanced editing tools, additional music libraries, and advanced AI functionalities that can significantly elevate the quality of their videos. By exploring these various features, users can fully leverage Neato AI's potential, transforming their video creation process into a seamless and enjoyable experience, regardless of the format or platform they choose. When analyzing the cost benefits of using Neato AI for video production, it's essential to compare it with traditional video production tools, which often involve significant expenses. Traditional methods typically require hiring a professional crew, purchasing expensive equipment, and investing in post-production services, all of which can add up quickly. In contrast, Neato AI offers a cost-effective solution that allows users to create high-quality videos without the hefty price tag associated with conventional production. With its user-friendly interface and powerful AI capabilities, you can produce engaging content at a fraction of the cost. Additionally, new users can take advantage of a special coupon code that provides a discount on their initial subscription, making it even more affordable to get started. This promotional offer not only reduces the financial barrier but also allows users to explore the platform's features without a significant upfront investment. By considering Neato AI for your video creation needs, you're opting for a modern, efficient, and budget-friendly approach to video production. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, Neato AI empowers you to produce professional quality videos that resonate with your audience, all while saving time and money. Embrace the future of video production with Neato AI. In this video, we explored the key features and benefits of using Neato AI for video creation, highlighting how it streamlines the process and enhances creativity. We discussed its ability to generate videos from a single prompt, create content in multiple languages, and produce both short and long formats, making it a versatile tool for any creator. Additionally, we emphasized the importance of accessibility through subtitles and the convenience of the mobile app for on-the-go video production. with cost-effective pricing compared to traditional methods and the added value of a coupon code for new users, Neato AI presents an attractive option for anyone looking to elevate their video content. As we wrap up, we encourage you to engage with this video by liking, subscribing, and sharing it with others who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content and resources for video creators. Don't forget to explore more videos on our channel related to video creation, where you'll find tips, tutorials, and inspiration to enhance your skills. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video as you embark on your video creation journey with Neato AI.